Hi everybody, welcome to my studio. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this box in the form of a car. You can open it and in the front I put the name on the plate and at the back the date of birth because it's for a newborn baby. So I'm going to show you step by step and I hope you have fun watching this video. If you're new at this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let's have fun. I use a white clay because I want the glazes that I'm going to put on, I want them to be bright from color. When I use a black clay or a red clay, the colors can be different and that's not what I want, so I'm choosing for a white clay. I'm taking a lot of clay, just enough for approximately the form that I want to have, and with some wooden tools I can slap on the clay until I have the form that I want. I can squeeze it, I can form it, and I'm gonna do that until I have the form of this car. Now this clay here is still wet. I just took it out of the package and this clay has been stiffer. The clay has to be drier to be able to finish the form and the shape better. That's the next thing I'm going to show you. So when you have done that, you have the shape of a car. In this case it's more like a pickup truck, and now you can start by refining the form and the shape of the car. I'm going to show you how you have to do that. I really like to use these tools. It's like, yeah, just a knife, a rib, and these two are from metal. So when you have your form, I like to use this form. I'm going to scratch the surface in different directions, just like this. Now the surface is not smooth, so I'm going to use something else. I can use this to scrape more, or I can use something like this to make it more smooth. And then you smooth the surface. And now you can see the difference between this surface and this. This is what I'm going to do to all sides of the car. And when that is finished, we are going to cut it open. Okay, I put on the back window and the front window and the sides, and I'm gonna cut out the window so it's a little bit deeper than the rest of the car. I'm gonna use some tools that I use for trimming my pots, and I'm gonna carve the windows out. Okay, I put in all the windows, and also I'm carved some lines for the doors. And now I'm gonna cut open my car. It's strong enough so it doesn't collapse. And I'm taking a knife. I like to use a ruler for guiding my knife. And I'm just gonna cut like a centimeter into the car. And I'm gonna do this on 4 sides of the car. Now I'm going to use a wire, a cutting wire, to cut the rest of the car. It's a little bit tricky because you don't want the wire to cut wrong, because then you have to repair the car and the edges. So when I pull, I check every time if I'm cutting in the lines. I'm gonna use the same tools, and I'm gonna make sure that the walls are like 1 centimeter of thickness. I also can use a ruler just to guide the cutting tool. I'm gonna put in a line so I can see where I have to put my ruler. It's just for getting a start and not cutting into the edge. The edges are the most difficult because not everywhere it's a straight line, and I really like to have a straight line as much as possible. I'm gonna use this scraper for trying to make the line straight. I'm scraping in different directions so I can cut out all the holes and bumps. Don't scrape too much, otherwise your car is going to get smaller and smaller. I think this is better. And now I'm gonna make the surface smooth again. Now, thanks for watching. I hope to see you again soon, and please don't forget to subscribe.